Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the universal links feature in Natively. But first, let's understand what universal links are and how they can benefit your mobile app. Universal links are a way to ensure a seamless experience for your users by directing them to specific content within your app, even if it's not installed at the time they click a link. This enhances user engagement and makes navigation smoother. Now let's dive into the setup process. For an Android app, we have to create a file which sets up behavior for the Android system. I copy the code and create a text file which will contain the code. Now I need to replace the package name in the code. Go to the app's dashboard, Publish tab, Android build section. Copy the bundle ID and insert it in the text file just created. Then I need to replace the fingerprints. For this step, I need to find them in Play Console. I just copy the first one and paste it into the text file. The same I do with the second fingerprint. Now I save the file with the name I see in the docs, asset links JSON. This file must be uploaded in the root directory of your website. Please pay attention on the path it must be placed. Also important to keep in mind that the file must be available for public. For iOS app, I need to create a text file which contains the code I just copied from the docs. That is instruction for iOS system. Here I need to replace the team ID, which I can find in the Apple Developer Portal account section. Make sure you're viewing the right account. They may have different team IDs. I scroll down the page a little to find the team ID, copy it, and insert into the file I created a bit earlier. Also, I need to insert here the bundle ID, which I can find in the app's dashboard, Publish, iOS Build tab. Then I save the file with the name that is provided in the docs, Apple App Site Association. This file also goes into the root directory of the website. Please pay attention on the path. It must be the same as it mentioned in the docs. Do not forget to deploy the current version to live to allow Natively to find the files on your web server. Let's continue in Natively dashboard. I open the Features tab and choose the Deep Links feature to set up. For now, I go to the Universal Links tab and enable the feature. I want to make sure that the associated domain which is pre-filled here is the same I provided in the app's URL. I just double check it and click the Save button. Great, it's saved now. To apply the changes, I need to rebuild the app. It's also a good idea to verify if the associated domain is linked to your website and deep links work correctly. There is a link in the docs that I can use to check if the file I uploaded for Android is correct. Here I need to insert the associated domain, the package name, and the first fingerprint I pasted in the asset links JSON file. Okay, the test is passed. Let's verify it for iOS. I get the link from the docs to a service that will verify it for me. Here I need to paste the associated domain and the bundle ID. In my case, the bundle ID is the same for both platforms. Okay, test is passed. Now the feature is set up. Thanks for watching and happy mobile app building. Bye.